Si first pala ngayon, meron silang class about first aid. So, ipapakita niya sa atin if how to
in case of someone is choking for food or whatever.
Ayan.
Kids, you take to your
lap, like that.
and Mitsu kääntyisi. Pää alas. Sille pää on alhaalla. Mikael, leikis nyt tää mukana. Ja 5 times you slap here. 5 times. Joo. And if nothing happens, then you take Heimlich.
Okay.
Like that. And then again, like a little bit like head supposed to be like down. And then 5 times. And if not yet, then you continue. You put back to lap. And again, 5 times.
Tummy? There, in the tummy? Like, which part?
Elikkä, here is that bone under that. I don't remember in English what is that place, but that big muscle that take breathing.
Okay.
You put like hand like that, and then you push hard. You push hard, and head supposed to be down. So if there is something, it goes like outward. And also same for adult. Adult, you're supposed to put like position like this, and then you pull here like really hard from behind. Hands behind my underarms, and then you just put fist like this, and then you push very hard.
Okay.
So
Mix or choke one time.
Something like what you need to know.
Mix or choke one time.
Yeah. Okay.
Therein, he was eating octopus, squid.
Okay.
And first, he just enjoying it because everybody in it.
Okay.
And then, no, I look. He's eating, and then he said that, Mama, I want more. Okay, I gave him, and then I thought he was like maybe after 30 minutes he already ate maybe 2 pieces.
Yeah.
And so I just like, okay. So I feed him of the squid, and then maybe like after 30 minutes he put big piece of squid.
Okay.
And you know squid is like bubble gum.
Yeah, like very sticky.
And he did not chew.
Mm.
Like what's that? Chew? Like
Chewing. Like
chewing.
He did not chew enough, so it goes.
So he was just like properly, and I thought he was just playing that. He was just like that.
Yeah.
Then lucky Ate Chris is there. She was the one who did that to Mixo.
Yeah.
And like that, and
Yeah.
then I think you just did what you show like from here.
Yeah.
And
Stand up and show you, so you know if in case something happens to me, then you know.
So
Underarms, like here you can feel yourself. This is that like a sword bone.
Then
after that, under that, you don't want to break that small bone. You put hand like that, and then like bend over a little, like that? And then you just push.
Down the ribs.
Yeah, down the ribs.
Down the ribs.
Here, this breathing muscle. I don't know in English.
It's like para sa ano, parang kuto-kuto ba na to?
You have to do it fast and hard.
Hard?
Yeah, hard.
So
and also you can say like cough, like try to do that at the same time when push. 5 times to back, and also adult.
Okay.
It starts like you again like that, and here between these bones you slap hard 5 times.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and nothing happens. Then you
again
take here and 5 times.
Okay. So it's because it's anytime it will happen.
It happens so plenty.
Yeah. Because when Mixo did the chewing the squid, We did not expect because he's been eating already.
And because
squid.
you're a mother, you need to know what to do in case. And the marks that someone is choking, they probably take hand to their neck.
Mixo.
It is the sign.
Mixo did that.
Yeah, it is a sign of that. Like I can't breathe.
Oh, Mixo is just like showing like and then.
Yeah.
And
if your
I was already
arm is
panicking.
hurt, you catch your arm. If your leg is hurt, you catch your leg. If you're choking, you take your neck.
Okay.
Then those are the signs. Like then you have to start acting very fast.
Okay, now I know. No, because accident happened. And when Mixo choke, we did not expect it. Because he's been eating
It happens,
already.
especially for children. It happens plenty. That's why parents supposed to know what to do in a case of that.
Ate Chris did that first aid.
Lucky she was there because
We was all there.
I mean, like if you others don't know what to do.
And everybody like.
Just watching the little one dying.
No. I was really like, because I was also shocked when Mixo do this. Like did this and then
It is
what's happening?
impossible to breathe.
Oh.
You run out of oxygen soon. You will faint and then you just die if you don't act.
That's why nowadays Mixo don't like anymore squid. Before he really liked it.
And you're supposed to know all the time, like for the kids, cut small pieces.
Yeah,
That's why I don't give those small tomatoes, because the shape is like if it goes on whole.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did not mean that Mixo is still eating because I cut for Mixo like small piece, and then I did not know that he went where was the food and took it there and
big piece.
And big piece. I was like, because I was also busy like preparing to eat. And I was thinking, Mixo is already prepared. And I did not notice that like that. And accident happened.
Accidents happen.
Wala tayong ano dyan. Kaya laging my first aid. Kaya nuruan ako ni Pars na.
But that is like basic thing you need to know.
Okay, now I know.
Now you know.
So, ayun. Now I know. At pag mga ganyan, bawal magpanik. Kasi pag magpapanik ka, mas lalo kang ano ba, yung hindi gagana yung utak mo. Mixo! Hoy, remove your clothes. Sige, remove your clothes. Asan na yung pantulog mo? Nakaligo na kasi yan kanina. Inagahan yung ligo niya. Tapos nung lumabas kami, dahil pagkadating namin kanina, gusto niya maglaro dun sa bathtub. So, pinababad ko siya. Then, lumabas kami ulit. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa pala nakwento sa inyo about that na si Mixo ay na-choke ba. Kasi that time parang nataranta din ako eh. Yung nanigas na ako dun sa gilid nung tinitignan ko si Mixo. Buti na lang nandun si Ate Chris that time at siya yung sa first aid.
I want to walk.
Ha?
I want to read.
Okay, read now daw be, read. Ito na yung inaano niya, every nagbabasa kami. Hoy, careful na ba? Ay, ma?
What did we?
Mixo, do you still like squid?
Squid.
Do you still?
No, I don't want squid.
Why?
I only like kasklapu.
Only shrimp, but no more squid.
No.
Before, you really like squid. No more?
Yeah.
No more. Oh.
Don't like-
Alam niya na delikado yun. Kasi ito, minsan,
read.
pag gusto niya,
Oh
kahit
my God, I can't
binigyan mo na
read,
siya
Mama.
at kuha siya ng kuha doon sa plato ng ibaba.
Hey, what you doing?
Mikael, Nick, come here na, come here. I will change your clothes. Na toothbrushan ko na to. Ayan o, let's say.
Hey, Mama, wait. No.
Let's count, Bill, let's count.
Okay.
Mag-ano kami. Come here na, come here. Ay, sus.
I'm green, not brown.
Okay, what number is this?
Okay. 1.
Next.
2. Not too easy. Every
What?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Why you are so slung? How about that?
4.
Okay.
6.
No?
7.
Not a 7. What is next of 4? You already know this.
3.
Ito siya, marunong na siya magbilang, pero pag naggaganito kami, nagbibilang, nilalaro niya.
Mama, I got it on this side.
Ha?
I got it on this side.
Okay, what number is that?
Okay, coming.
Okay, come. What number is this? Sige na ba?
I said 4.
Say it properly.
Oh, I know. It's a 4.
Hey, number 4 is this or this.
Oh, no.
How old are you?
3.
Nagbinulakbol na. Pagturuan mo siya, ayaw niya, pero pag nagbibilang siya mag-isa, naririnig ko tama yung binibilang niya. Wala siyang patient na ganito ba? Yung turuan mo good siya. Okay, what number is this? This one. What number is this?
6.
My C, my 7, my C, my 6, ano man. What is this? Very, very good. Okay. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa ginagawa niya. Kinikilig. Kinikilig sa pagbibilang na mali. Hey, you need to practice more this number, ha? You know, other kids already know how to count 1 to 100.
1, 2, 6, 7. 7. No, we're not 7. Hey, give me that blanket.
Okay, come here na.
I just take this blanket.
Ano mo kasi tuturaan na sobrang hyper.
No,
Sa daycare, nagbibilang naman sila at
I want to do it.
tinatanong ko yung caretaker kung marunong ba siya magbilang. Marunong daw siya magbilang. So, minsan lang dito kasi, pag tinuturuan ko siya, inaano niya, ako alam yung puro mali-mali yung binibilang niya. Pero pag doon sa sa daycare, meron yung isang beses na hinatid ko siya ng umaga at tinanong ko yung caretaker doon kung marunong ba magbilang si Mix. So, pinabilang niya, marunong naman pala. Minsan lang talaga dito sa bahay ay inaano ako ni Mixo ba, yung yaga-yaga lang, joke-joke lang. Kaya ako ay minsan nawo-worry pag hindi niya na perfect yung tinuturo ko sa kanya. Ito, bihisan ko na para makatulog na to kasi late na. Yan, alas 8 na kasi kami dumating kanina tapos kumain pa.
The next day, the next day, the next day.
Lalamunan ko. Asan na pala yung ayun? Mag-ano lang ako ng baon. Snack ba mamaya? Hala, oy, kawawa naman to lagayan ng margarine namin. Wala nang laman. Empty na siya. Bukas na ako mag-grocery ng mga needs namin dahil sahod time. Huwag muna sila mag-margarine. Ayan. Oh. Gusto ko pa naman yung margarine dito. Dati ayaw ko gumamit ng margarine kasi nga unhealthy. Tapos nung napansin ni Pars, tinanong niya, bakit ayaw mo ng margarine? Sabi ko, it's unhealthy if we use it every day. Same with the butter. Sabi niya, no. Yung margarine daw dito ay healthy. Tapos yung bumili ako nung margarine na dyan sa atin talaga ba, yung nilalagay natin yung pink and yellow na brand.
Hindi ko lang maalala anong klaseng margarine yun. Tapos nung binasa niya, may palm oil, and then sabi niya, ayaw mo gumamit ng margarine dito sa Finland kasi iniisip mo na unhealthy siya. Pero, yung margarine nyo sa Pinas, yung palm oil, alam mo bang unhealthy din yan. So, ayun, in-explain niya, dito daw sa Finland, ay healthy yung, margarine. Ito nga, Parimpivalenta. Ayan. So, merong heart na nakalagay siya. So, ang meaning yan is good for the heart daw yan. At meron talaga mga margarine dito. Yung isang binibili ko na very healthy na margarine. So, after that, I use margarine to my bread para hindi siya masyadong dry. At ito yung aking snack later. Pag after ko mag-work. Mikael! Bangon na in town dira nyor. Kay, malate na ta. Tinanong ko kung gusto niya mag-breakfast. Ayaw niya daw mag-breakfast. Ganyan yan siya. Pag madaming kinain bago natulog, kasi kahapon, daming kinain yan. At ngayon, busog pa. Ayaw niyang mag-breakfast. So, ito yung aking baon. Baon ako ng grapes. Pampa-energy natin. Ayan. Paubos na yung stock natin. Wala akong plastic dito. Kailangan ko bumili ng plastic. At ito yung aking lunch. Yung lunch ko, yung shepherd pie pa na gawa natin. Ayan. Dahil madami man yun. Diba? Ganyan din yung baon ni Pars. Hindi naman kailangan bumili ng snack or lunch doon sa aming workplace. Masyadong mahal. So, ayan, ito yung ating baon. Hay, naku, tong mixo na to. Nag-ilad-ilad pa doon. Hanyo po yung ilad-ilad. Ayaw pa bumangon ba? Nakahiga pa. Ito. Prepare ko muna yung sarili ko bago yung ating mixo para mataranta kasi bibihisan ko lang naman yan eh. Okay. Full of drama pa yung aking mixo doon sa loob kanina. Ayaw bumangon, umiiyak-iyak dahil hindi man lang daw nagbabay sa kanya yung kanyang daddy. Maaga kasi si Pars kanina umalis. 7:30 umalis na si Pars. Ito, nagtampo. Tinasanay siya na every morning andyan yung tatay niya. Nag-good morning sa kanya, naghahag eh. Ngayon kasi maagang umalis yung tatay. So, umiyak pa siya doon. Ayan, nagdrama-drama kaming dalawa. Ayaw niyang pumasok sa daycare. Ay, nay. Ano naman yung sasakyan natin, Mixo? Tawag kanyan. Uy! Nag-moist. Upo ka lang dyan, ha? Linisan ko muna yung ating sasakyan para hindi ako mahirapan mag-drive, okay? Ayan. Nakaupo na siya. You feel cold? Okay, I will close the door. Naiwanan ko na naman kayo sa sasakyan. Kanina pa ako hanap. Isip ako ng isip, asan yung camera? Dito lang pala kayo kasi kanina umaga nung nag-vlog ako, sinitbolt ko si Mixo tapos iniwan ko doon sa gilid ng kanyang upuan. Kaya pala nag-ano ako, asan mo yung camera? Hindi naman posibleng naiwan sa bahay kasi ang naalala ko, nag-intro ako kanina umaga. So dito lang pala kayo sa loob ng sasakyan. Buti hindi kayo nalubot. Lamig-lamig pa naman kanina. Pag sobrang lamig, tumitirik yung ating camera. Hindi kaya yung lamig ba? So on the way to pick up the Mixo, dahil hindi ko kayo kasama kanina, wala na naman akong update sa aking araw. It was a busy day as always. Lagi tayong busy sa work. So buti lumabas na si haring araw kanina. Tanghali ay maulan-ulan. Bakit ganyan ang mo? Are you teasing me? Ikaw ha. Come here na. Let's go. Because I'm sleepy. Gusto kong uminom ng kape kasi habang nagaano kami, habang pauwi ako ba, inaantok ako. Gusto ko nang pumikit. Ay naku sus. Ayan na naman. Dirty na si Popo mo. Let's go inside and then eat and then later we go to gym, okay?
Yeah, Jim.
Yung gym body ko. Okay?
Yeah.
Ha? Okay, come here. Oh, hindi ako gutom kasi nag-snack ako kanina sa work bago sinundo si Nixo. Siya lang daw ay gutom, oh. Hindi siya nag-almusal kanina sa bahay. So, madami daw yang kinain sa daycare. Dalawang hukad daw yan siya. Masakit na naman yung gums ko. Uy, hindi pa gumagaling yung aking singaw. Hoy, don't bring it inside. And I told you not to put it there. Put it, take it. No, take it now.
I'm going to take on here.
Okay, take the stick. Take the stick and put it there. Side. Kasi makakadisgrasya ka niyan. O, see? It's not nice that it's lying there in front. Hey, Nit! Ay, ito. Akala niya siguro naglalaro ako. Put it there. Properly. Okay. You can't come in if you are playing like that.
Okay, now it's
Oh, see, now inside. Yan kasi makakadisgrasya ka niyan. Yung stick niya yan eh. Pag ano lang dun sa labas ay matanda pa naman yung mga tao dito. Wala siguro to hagdanan para ma-exercise yung ating mga pata-pata dito. Masakit yung aking kapatahan dahil kahapon yung aking workout ay leg day kasi Monday. So, sumasakit siya. Pero mawawala din yan after 2 days. And then, mamaya ang workout ko is yung upper body, like yung chest fly, yung taas ba, arms, yan. Yan yung aking Tuesday workout. Pag Wednesday naman ay abs day. May abs yan. Kailangan mo lang talaga consistent yung ginagawa mo para makita mo yung progress. Diba? Ganun lang. Mainit. Baka sabihin yung matagal na akong nag-gym pero wala kayong nakikita. Actually, may progress na po ako. Kaya lang, nung umuwi kami ng Pinas, lumubo si Maring Queenie. At, ayun nga, sobrang laki. And, hindi nyo pa man nakikita na pumayat na si Maring Queenie. Kasi yung aking goal ay hindi pumayat. Ang goal ko ay yung lean body siya ba? Alam mo yung lean body? Na wala masyadong taba pero mabigat po yan siya. Yung mga pina-follow ako ng mga Pilipina ba or kahit mga nag-gym, mapayat sila tignan pero mabigat po yan dahil mas mabigat yung muscle. Like maliit siya tignan pero grabe yung muscle. Ang kilo niyan ay nasa, let's say sabihin natin mga 60 or 50 ganun. So yun po yung aking target. Gusto ko magka-muscle. Actually, nagkaano na po siya. Meron na po akong nakikita dati nung nag-start ako mag-gym. Wala, as in, wala akong muscle talaga. Alam mo yung taba lang talaga siya dito. Yung nakikita natin, yung mga nakalaylay sa arms natin. Ngayon, after, let's say 1 year, kasi nung nag-start ako last year, kahit natigil ako noon 1 month, meron pa naman yung muscle, pero ito na, sobrang saya ni Maring Queenie. Kulang pa yan kasi may taba pa eh. Hindi mo talaga siya makikita agad. Minsan nga yung mga ano talaga, yung mga nag-workout, yung sobrang ganda ng katawan, hindi yan siya months, days, week nila pinagtiyagaan. Ang ba dyan, umabot ng 3 years, ma-achieve yung kanilang goal body. May mga kaibigan ako dati, sinasabihan nila ako na gym ka ng gym, hindi ka naman pumapayat. Kasi yung goal ko, Mars, hindi po pang papayat. Ang goal ko is to lose fat and build muscle. Kung ang goal mo naman ay ang papayat at bumaba yung timbang mo, yung ayaw mo mag-workout, ang ginagawa mo lang is cardio ka ng cardio. Meron din kasing kaibahan ang cardio at ang strength training. Strength training is yung magbubuhat ka talaga, yung nasa gym ka, yung mabigatan talaga yung ginagawa mong pagbubuhat. Yun. I-search nyo po kung mali ba si Maring Queenie. Kasi yan po yung aking nabasa. Miso, what do you want to eat, man anak? May smoothie po pala ako. Ha? Okay pa ba itong smoothie ko? Ha?
Wait, I want movie.
This is smoothie oh. Yung kahapon na ginawa ko.
Oh.
Okay pa naman pala. Nilagay ko kasi ito sa freezer tapos kinuha ko kanina kasi nakalimutan ko kahapon. What? Palit muna ako ng damit. Gabi ng mga Mars. Ito ako ngayon. Galing na ako sa gym. Hindi ko na sinama si Mixo dahil nung paalis na ako, sabi ko, Mixo, tara na, punta na tayo ng gym. Nagbago ang isip ng ating Mixo. Ayaw niya na daw ako samahan sa gym kasi daw boring daw dun. So, ang ginawa ko, inantay ko na lang si Pars natin. At dyan ako nagpunta ng gym at pauwi na ako. May ano dito, mystery grocery bag sa ano natin, co-market natin. Ano daw? Ay, taas ng pila. Kunin natin yung ating mystery grocery bag. Ano kaya ang pag-grocery bag ng ating co-market? Where we are. Yo. Okay. Tapos, ayan. Antay-antay lang tayo. Ano kaya ang ginagawa nila dito? Ito mga 50%. Tinatapon siguro to nila pag hindi na mabenta. Kasi di pa ako nakakuha ng mystery grocery bag na may ano, ganyan ba dito sa co-market. Dun sa Lidl meron. Ay, kapal yun. Titos. Wake up. Dami na siya. Ay, patay tayo dito sa sausage pala to. Sa yung ilaw natin. Ay, sausage. Yuhla sa milingkili. O, baka magustuhan niya ng ating Pars. Yung dalawa pa. Mahilig sa makara or sausage. Minsan gusto ko yung sausage din. Nagkikrave nga ako niyan minsan eh. Ang mahal kaya ang sausage. Yung isang pack lang. 3 euro na yun. Kahit patapos na ang summer, pwede lang yan ilagay doon sa freezer at i-air fryer. Si Pars natin. Sabi ko, puro sausage yung nakuha ko. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Gusto niya nabuksan yung isa para daw tikman niya. First time niya, hindi niya pa kasi ito natikman na ganitong branda. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
This is only 2 euro.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So, very lot of sausage. Oh my God.
Oh, it's really plenty. But the brandy is good.
The brand is good.
Yes.
Sinakot ko lahat yung sausage doon kay Mystery Grocery bag. It's a lot of grocery. Sausage. Now you can open.
Okay, I will. I will try one, like immediate.
Dahil galing ako sa gym, ako ay gutom na. So, yung ulam ko is, yung food ko is same kahapon na salad and yung meat. Yun yung meron kami dyan sa ref. Ayan. Ala, ang dami nito. Hindi ko na to kaya ubusin. Ayan. Ano ba yung kakainin ko bukas sa work? Yung shepherd pie. Meron pa akong shepherd pie. Pero ito, kainin ko muna to. Tapos, si Pars, gusto niya lutuin yung isa. You can try that one, Rakas, to cook. Let's taste it.
Finally.
Finally. You're dying to taste it, ha? First time niya eh. Tapos, mahal. Is that expensive? Sausage?
I think if you buy it like from the
per-
store.
Yeah. Yeah, because that other sausage like normal, it's quite expensive. That what you've been buying.